Once you've installed your AD cabinet, you do need to check it. So there's some checks you need to go through. On a weekly basis, it's worth just making sure all the functioning is correct. And what you should do really is just log to say you've done it so that you know that it's been done. And if you're doing the weekly checks, the first thing is a visual inspection. Just look at the unit, make sure it's not been damaged, make sure the green light is on all around the outside and the display's working here. Then open up the cabinet, so enter in your code, make sure that the lid fully opens, make sure the alarm is sounding, and just check the details on here. Once you've got it, you take the AD out and then do your normal AD checks just to make sure the function. But short term, you just have a look in there and see the display, but it's always a good idea to fire up the AD. Once you've done that, then check the light is red around the outside, close it and make sure that it's now gone green. So that's a very quick overview, but make sure you do check. Now on a more regular basis, open it up and have a much closer look. Say maybe every month. Make sure the unit is clean. So you can just use a cloth on the outside to get any dirt off that's on it, because you want the signs and the graphics at the back to be clearly seen. The stickers on the side of the unit as well, they want to be clear, and also clear the glass, but be careful what you use. Make sure you check the instructions to use the right type of cleaner. If there's any problems with the locks, then you can use aerosol based oil. Again, check the instructions for the right brands that you should be using. Another check you need to do is just to make sure that the heater element is working. Now this is only something you really do through the winter months, but when the temperature does drop down, you can just check that temperature, but also keep an eye on this temperature. And if it's a frosty day, you should be able to see that the temperature is within the correct parameters on here. On an annual basis, you want to really make sure everything's okay, make sure that the hinges and the locks have actually been oiled. Again, look at the instructions, the right type. Key thing with these cabinets is make sure that it's ready to use at all times.